We pet the Jam and she loves it. We pet the Earl and he tries to bite and swat me. What's with that? She loves it. What's with this one? We pet him. Oh, feisty orange. Feisty orange, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Oh my goodness. Ow.
Orange cats? They just love being at the center of chaos. If a day is too boring, orange cats always find a way to make it opposite. You should buy locks for everything in your house. Never know which your cat will aim at. Let me guess, your house has ceiling fans, right? All you need to know is when an orange cat wants to take charge, you let it be.
Hey! You two! Break it up! Break it up! Hey, Bean, what are you doing? Why are you on top of the door?
Many cats dream of being a ninja. Watch your kid carefully. You have to think outside the box to fluently communicate with cat. No lie.
Oh, this is getting violent.
Cat fight?
Proof that cats are definitely drama queens. Why do I get the feeling this was on purpose? This video reminds you that we haven't understand all a cat can do. Bro has his own custom alarm clock. Probably never oversleep again. No, it's not that simple. He's training his kid. Be careful. I think that every cat is like this, but only orange ones has that pose. No. All you can say is no. I haven't even seen my girlfriend today. Looks like it's the Santa Claus that will be surprised this Christmas. Once an orange be clingy, it's like there is super glue between you guys. dude enjoys life to every single second. And it's not exaggerating. Look. Gotta admit that cats have incredibly diverse tastes in food.
Can you stop?
The fact is, cat can't stop hurting you. 'Cause with them, that's a kind of love language.
Biscuit. Stop.
If one day you lose money, don't be quick to blame the thief. Science is truly amazing. It can even make a cat sacrifice its sleep to explore.
Lagi listening, krimen ang pagkamunta mga friends. No, haven't you done it?
It's the price of being an orange cat. They are built different.
I cannot believe what is happening right now. Oh my god. My cat jumped onto my back and he's just hanging there because I went down to log into my computer.
People must have encountered situations like this. Kudos to the kitten for its patience. The size of an orange cat is usually inversely proportional to its mischievousness.
Stop trying to eat the Amazon bag. Stop it. Hobbs.
Life of an orange cat is already full of drama. Your words are just extra seasoning. See?
Hobbs, stop trying to eat the... You're not a goat. Stop it.
What do you want? That's not how we communicate in this house.
Believe me, everything he owns is his. But everything you own isn't always yours.
What did you do while I was gone today?
Committed atrocities beyond your human comprehension.
What the actual hell?
Well, actually, the cat isn't stealing. It's making an announcement. You better buy it what it wants before something bad happens.
You're trying to put those in your food bowl?
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts, dee-dee-dee-dee, there they are, standing in a row.
Fake pets, huh? You know what? You messed with the wrong guy.
Sziasztok, Nikolász vagyok, és ma megmutatom nektek, milyen egy munkanapom teljes munkaidős rágókaként. Épp bevágtam az ebéd előtti szünet, amikor Károlyka jött, aztán rottyon lett.
Well, only an orange cat would dare to tease others without fearing the consequences.
Have any idea how fast I really am? I'm fastest, boy. I'm fast.
Stealing food while a camera is pointed at you? Not a smart move, huh?
You think you're sneaky? You think you're sneaky? Wow.
Unlike their counterparts, orange cats don't sleep. They practice parkour.
So my brother just got a cat. His name's Fred, and I'm obsessed with him. Fred, I want to take you back to Seattle and introduce you to Spartacus and Roxy and Archer and Leia.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.